Hey Geeks, welcome to another video of this series. This is a quick video for a method of AWT Label component called setText. So let's get back to our Visual Studio. So we will be using the code that we have written for the AWT Label in the previous video. So let's first try executing it and let me show you what we have done till now. We have just simply added 3 labels in our frame and we have set the position of these labels by using setBounds. Now if you want to change the label text, then we have to use a particular method called setText. So we will create a function changeText. Then we are going to use the label L1, L2 and L3 in this function. To change the text of L1 label, we will write L1.setText and inside it we will write the new label text we want to assign it. Now I will repeat this process for remaining labels. Now I will call this method by using our object L. Let's say L.changeText. Now let's try executing it. As you can see, the label text has been changed for all the labels. So that's it for this quick video. See you in the next one.